let's talk about one of the biggest challenges of content creation, balancing quality and quantity. Remember the dawn of the TikTok era, when every creator seemed to have found the standard video hooks that grab people's attention? Well, the overuse of this led to an avalanche of content that just felt inauthentic and salesy and just plain repetitive. If this is not the way, then how can you produce large volumes of unique, high-quality content? And no, it's not about cloning what has worked for others. Because believe me, you will get caught. 1. Use tools like Bard. Answer the public or TikTok search engine once a week to curate content. And keep yourself updated with the most recent events and conversations happening in your niche. Number 2, frame this content you collected in a document and start listing at least 6 different content styles. Number 3, instead of relying solely on AIs like ChatGPT to write your entire scripts, jot down your initial thoughts and when appropriate, take a stance. Then let AI proofread, complement with facts, and refine your language to make it more compelling. Number 4, finally, the hook. The fastest way to do it is leave it for last. Yes, you heard us. Just like with those high school essay lessons, write the body first, then ask ChatGPT to create an 8-word statement that encapsulates the main idea. Then go to software like Thesaurus or TextFX and look for alternative words to make the statement more powerful.